Whoa, TJ!
Okay.
Tired.
Look at that, huh? Oh, wow. Okay.
Pick up his toy again.
He's
Yeah.
tired.
That is our-
So tired. Oh.
Baby.
I like this one. It's really cool.
That I thought was adorable.
Cool.
Where's
like
his?
Andy. You can zoom at the top tab. The button goes left or right.
Hold on, baby.
Okay, we'll do the paper thing. There.
See? It's paper and boxes. They're just as happy as they can be. We don't need any of them presents. Just put us some paper out there. Yes. Get it out. Yeah, oh boy, TJ. What, Grandma? What, Grandma? TJ.
Well, you threw one away. Oh. Okay, I can fix that. Now we have two again.
We better zoom on Dad and see what he's doing.
Trying to get this oxygen thing to work.
Do you need assistance?
I'm nice.
Maybe I can tell you further.
Yes, hold
Or you might look into it.
I hand
on.
it to her.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're so tired. There we go. Hi. Hi, Peter Dad.
We figured you need more of a manly frame for that one.
Oh, because it's just so cool. That is cool.
Yeah, that is a great, great picture.
Thought you'd like it.
Yeah.
Go really nice next to Marley.
Well, the opposite side of the table.
Grandma's magic for getting this guy.
Like, I can't. That is what you wanted, right?
No, that's too much.
He's almost out.
Yeah. He's leaning.
And to all, good night. Good job, Grandma. Just put that kid to sleep.
I told you I have magic.
But the other night he was playing on the floor and he was getting really tired and whiny. So I laid him in the boppy, the half pillow type thing, and laid the blanket on him. And you could see him struggling and fighting, and all of a sudden see this.